Hi everybody, I wanted to just do a quick little tip video, I guess you could call this, on how to retrieve links to articles in the library. I've fixed a few articles. I think some of you know how, but a lot of you don't know how, and so we're getting with these broken links. So let me show you really quick, and at the same time I can show you a couple other little details that I like about our library. But if you kind of scroll through some of these links, here's a couple. Well, if you see EBSCOhost in the beginning like this, this too says EBSCOhost in the beginning, these links aren't going to work. So the person was probably at the right article, but they took the link from this top bar at the top. That's not where you want to take it. So let's take this article that Julie provided for us and see if we can't create the correct link, and I'll show you how to do that from the library. So I'm just going to copy this nice APA citation that Julie provided, and we're going to fix this link here. So let me pop over to the library home page. Okay. One of the things I really like about the library is this one search box. Use it often, no matter what you're looking for. It just is a great place to start. So even though I have the citation, it might even work inside. I'm going to pop it in here in the one search. Click on Go. Cross my fingers. And, okay, here's the article. Causes and processes of midlife weight gain. So let me click on the article itself. And you'll see over here on the left is the PDF full text. I'm not going to go there. We don't want to link to that actual full text. We want to link to this page. Anybody that comes here can click on the full text and find it. What I want to draw your attention to is the column over here where it says permalink. So you don't want to copy this. See up here where it says the EBSCOhost, and then it says the vlib.excelsior. Don't copy that link. That's what is happening. You want to click on the permalink. That will take you to this article, and you can see that that starts with http vlib.excelsior. So let me copy that link. Copy. Let me go back to Julie's post, and I do have the capability to edit your posts. Sorry. So let me take this one out, put this one in. If you don't do a hard return, which means I'm going to see where my little cursor is at the end of this, if I don't hit enter, it won't create the live link. So there's another little tip. If you copy the text and don't do that hard return, it won't embed the link. Okay, so now I'm done. Let's go back and ready. I'm going to click this and voila. Please, please, please. It goes right to the article. All right, the other thing I wanted to show you about the library, which is very handy. It's not a be-all, end-all, but you saw that Julie had done a nice APA citation. It looked correct to me. She may have done this by hand, which is a little bit of work, but a nice little shortcut. Let me go back. Here is to click on Cite. So I'm over here in the right column. Click on Cite, and a window will open up that has this article in a reference format for different styles. The style we want is American Psychological Association, or APA. And here it is. It has the proper things italicized and parenthesized, and periods and commas, and the author names correctly placed, and so forth. So I am going to copy this. Let me bring it over, and we will compare this to what Julie did and see how it looks. Sorry I'm making you the guinea pig, Julie, but that's life. Not funny. All right, let me just put it next to Julie's. Okay, and it's looking real good. I got a different page thing. So the one thing I will caution you with is that even that little cite tool in the library can make mistakes. The most common mistake I've seen it do is put something in all caps. Don't know why, it's just something that could happen. So even though I'm telling you it's going to give you a good API citation, at the same time it's your responsibility to check it and make sure that it was actually properly done. Okay, one last thing I'd like to show you. I'm going to use Sean's link. This is a proper link. You also can link directly in the on the words. You can embed the link. So I'm going to go in here and use Sean's as an example, and I'm going to copy this link, and then I'm going to embed it in these words instead of having the bare link. So I highlight the words that I want to link. I click on this little link icon. I can paste the link directly in here, and it has linked actually to the words. You can see there's a link. So we don't need this one anymore. Let me save this. And now instead of having that open link, I can just click on the words where I've embedded, and it goes to the article. So that's just another option. So anyway, I hope this is helpful, and I'm going to post this for you right now.